What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Triple Van Winkle. Hopefully everyone's having an amazing day. I'm home today, all from work, nothing like a 3-day weekend. A lot of work still get done, though. It's not even like I have the day off. Late start to my morning, been on call since 7 a.m. It is now 9 a.m. The first video is coming out. We got a lot to go over. The markets look oh so beautiful. Michael Saylor and crew just purchased another 2 billion Bitcoin. Remember, nothing happens for XRP until we get above 60 cents. Once that's broken, where do we go next? Very simple, 65 cents. What happens after that? Then we need to target 75 cents, which is going to be the biggest hurdle for XRP before we approach that dollar level. Total cryptocurrency market cap coming in at 2,810 billion as it changes right in front of our very eyes. Now, where are the markets going from here? I talked about this briefly yesterday during the video. It's simple. I think Bitcoin's going to make the run up to that $88,000 region before we see our first correction. Not a deep correction, a very slight correction in the markets, which is normal. Because look, Bitcoin's been on an absolute tear. It's up over 30% in the last 30 days. What goes up at some point, it must come back down, and it must retest to find its new base before it can continue to go up. So I think Bitcoin still climbs a little bit higher from here. We see a little bit of a pullback, 70s, maybe upper $70,000 region, and then we start to ascend to that $100,000 mark. I told you just last week, I thought Bitcoin was about to put 10 to 20,000 on top of its price, and we did exactly like I've been preaching. I've been nailing this market. That's all I can say. I've been nailing the calls, I've been nailing the runs, and we're not done. It's not even close to being done. We're going to see this thing push all the way into 2025. Right now, the expected time frame for this bull run is Q2, Q3 of 25, and that might even get extended to 2026. We'll have more data come early next year, and we can really sit back and examine. But for now, this thing is running for quite some time, and it's going to run hot. We're going to see this push-up go all the way into next year. We're going to see our first real correction pullback. And this is where a lot of people are going to kick and scream that, the bull runs over. A lot of people are going to kick and scream that, the bull runs over. A lot of people are going to be shaking out of their position. They're going to get out. But the real fun and those parabolic moves on alts are not going to happen until that summer time frame after tax season comes to an end within the US. Do not lose focus here. MicroStrategy is just in. They acquired a number 27,200 Bitcoin for more than $2 billion. It says the purchase was conducted between October 31st and November 10th of this year. Can you see where the pump for Bitcoin has come in? MicroStrategy super bullish. We were all laughing about or at them early this year when their position on Bitcoin was in the red. Now look at them, they're still buying. Why would they still be buying Bitcoin when it's sitting at $80,000, $81,000, $82,000 if they didn't think this thing was going to continue to go up? 150 to 175 is our sweet spot. Could we see $250,000 Bitcoin this cycle? You better bet your butt we can, folks. We have yet to see the fireworks. The fireworks are incoming just in. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, 82,000. Just the other week, we were trading in the $60,000 range. Look how fast this escalated. This is the best part. This is the time where we should all be excited, where we should all be on the edge of our seat. I told you, get those portable phone chargers ready. Have that battery saved on the phone because the fireworks are coming and they are starting to really heat up and ramp up. Blockchain back and put this out. Bitcoin set its biggest weekly candle close in history. Once the Russell 2000 broke out, he likes comparing everything to the Russell, but there you go. There's the Russell, there's the breakout. You saw the Bitcoin breakout to follow it. Now, if you look at the other assets that are out there, Solana, I told you about Solana around 130 bucks. It's only alt season when Bitcoin starts to lose its market dominance. We have not got there yet. We're not there. Look at the past bull runs dating back over a decade. Bitcoin goes parabolic. It will then lose dominance, and then that money will rotate into altcoins. Dark Defender said XRP hit a Fibonacci point at 60 cents. He will beat this short leap to face Diablo. Look where Diablo is sitting. 66 cents is cents. It's the same freaking region I've been telling you. 6,566. First 60, then 65, 66, then 75. It's that simple. I don't know why there's people out there on Twitter saying XRP broke 58 cents. Get ready, strap in. Strap in for what? 58 cents is such an irrelevant number for XRP. It has absolutely no meaning on any chart anywhere you look. Nothing. It doesn't mean the bull run is over, the retrace is normal. It's already priced into the market. We already know where these things are going to retrace to, but you just need to make sure that XRP does not retrace under $1. If we are able to hold above $1, we are going to see a new all-time high on XRP in 2025. Especially if the ETFs that are going to be dropped in 2025 as well. This is very simple. I've been laying out the playbook for XRP for this entire year. I told you beginning of the year where we'll be lucky if we see 75 cents by the end of the year. People laugh, people joke, people thought I was a funny guy, a clown, but look who's right. You got all these people out there with saying XRP was making a new all-time high this year. Where are those people? Those are the same people who are preaching and screaming that we're going to $589 this year. It's not happening, folks. 75 cents is the only thing that we need. 2024 is the year of Bitcoin. It has always been the year of Bitcoin. Then we get this FTX official. Guess what? They just sued Binance and former CZ Binance seeking to recover $1.8 billion. The war between these two is unreal. It will forever be ongoing. These were the two biggest exchanges in the world. Binance, FTX, it's that simple. It's like a turf war, right? They both don't know how to cooperate. They both don't know how to work with each other. Two completely different markets. Just let it go. There's going to be multiple winners in this crypto space. But what happened? These two went after each other. Both of these went to jail. Sam's in jail a lot longer. CZ's out. Just come on, shake hands and give it up. Stop trying to be the top dog. Because what happens when you try to become the top dog, it's very simple. You ended up in jail, you don't want to be in jail. Then we get this from the cryptominute.com, Bitcoin breaks 82,000 posted by Trump's re-election win. Not only is crypto going nuts, the freaking stock market is going crazy as well. We told you this was the case. This is exactly what we wanted to see. We wanted Trump to win because we knew he was going to be good, not only for the economy, but for the cryptocurrency markets. And guess what? We were right. 7 to 10 trillion in crypto in 2025. If Harris was to win, we only would have seen like 4 to 7 trillion. It wouldn't have been a bullish outlook. Everyone is super bullish, and you should be. This is the year of Bitcoin, also going to explode next year. Keep your eyes out on alts, folks, because the fun is just getting started. I'm going to leave it right there.